Here's happy feet, normal view, and then we're going to do the odd view from the top. So we've got single, single. Let's go ahead and do single, single, double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. I'm going to show you the view from the top down, but let's go ahead and break it down in a normal way for now. My right heel is going to come up and in. The ball of my left foot is going to go out and away. Come back to one. My left heel is going to come up and in. The ball of my right foot is going to go out and away. And we come back to parallel. From the back, my right heel is coming up and in. The ball of my left foot is going out and away. And back to parallel. My right heel is coming up and in. My left heel is coming up and in. The ball of my right heel is going out and away. Right heel up and in, left ball of the foot out and away, back to parallel. Left heel up and in as the right foot goes out and away. To understand the movement pattern, it's kind of normal for the feet to move together. So the heels are going out, toes coming in, old hip hop moves, out, out. Pretty normal. And feet moving together, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Pretty normal. What we're doing is we're breaking the pattern and we're going in opposition. This heel going in as the ball of that foot goes out, and opposition as opposed to moving together. So this is easier. This is significantly harder, and you have to get into this position and hold it in order to break that old movement pattern and to learn this new movement pattern, which is one heel is up and in while the ball of the other foot is up and out.
This is how I finally got happy feet. I'm looking down at my feet. I'm standing in parallel, and very slowly my right heel is going to come up and in as the left ball of my foot goes up and out. And then I'm going to come back to parallel. And then the left heel is going to swivel up and in as the right ball of the foot swivels up and out. And then we come back to parallel. So in counts, if this is position 1, parallel, position 2, right heel up and in, left ball of the foot out and away. Back to parallel is position 3. Position 4 is left heel comes up and in as the right ball of the foot goes up and away. Back to parallel. The right ball of the foot comes up and in while the left ball of the foot, the ball of the left foot goes out and away. Up, out, and away. And back to parallel. The left heel is going to come up and in while the right ball of the foot is going to go up, out, and away. Back to parallel. The right heel comes up and in. The left ball of the foot goes out and away. Back to parallel. The left heel comes up and in, and the right ball of the foot goes out and away. Back to parallel. Now, to get this movement pattern into your body, I would take this position and hold it. So I'm holding onto a counter so I have balance. Come back to the parallel. Take this third position and hold it. Come back to parallel. So this is position 1. Hold position 2. Back to position 3. Hold position 4. And position 5. So that is the top view.